Imagine a world where a colossal asteroid hurtles toward our planet. The skies darken, the ground trembles, and a sense of impending doom grips humanity. What if a giant asteroid hit Earth? What catastrophic consequences would unfold in the aftermath of such a colossal impact? Today, we dive deep into this terrifying scenario, exploring both the immediate chaos and the long-term ramifications that would shape the future of life on our planet. First, let's set the stage. Our planet is a relatively small oasis in the vastness of the universe, suspended in the cosmic ballet of the solar system. We know that asteroids are more than just space rocks. They are remnants of the early solar system, drifting through the void. While many are harmless, some are on collision courses with Earth. In fact, scientists estimate that there are millions of asteroids in our solar system, and the larger ones could cause unprecedented havoc if they were to collide with our planet. So, what happens the moment this gargantuan asteroid slams into Earth? The sheer scale of destruction is staggering. As it makes contact, a massive shockwave ripples outward, unleashing an explosion equivalent to millions of nuclear warheads. Cities would be obliterated in seconds, and the force would send debris soaring high into the atmosphere. This would be an instant global catastrophe. As the dust and ash cloud fills the air, the sun becomes obscured. Imagine the chaos: traffic accidents, explosions, and buildings crumbling as people scramble for safety. Communication infrastructure collapses. Panic spreads like wildfire. In the immediate hours following the impact, survival becomes the priority for countless individuals as they seek refuge from the chaos surrounding them. Now, let's fast forward to the next few days. The ash cloud settles into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight and plunging the planet into darkness. This phenomenon, known as nuclear winter, could cool the Earth by several degrees. Plants would struggle to photosynthesize, leading to crop failures and food shortages. Imagine supermarket shelves emptied overnight as people panic. As society crumbles, a sense of desperation sweeps across the globe. However, it doesn't end there. The environmental consequences of an asteroid impact would catalyze global climate change. Debris in the atmosphere would cause temperature drops, followed by the release of greenhouse gases due to the burning of forests and cities. As temperatures begin to rise again, the world would be caught in a cycle of extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, floods, and droughts. The irony is profound. While the asteroid brings destruction, it also opens the door to new forms of life, as ecosystems struggle to adapt. As we reflect on this scenario, we must also confront the social implications. Governments and organizations would scramble to respond to disasters on a scale we've never encountered. Resource scarcity would lead to conflicts over food and water. Nations may become isolated, turning inward rather than cooperating in the face of a shared crisis. Civil society could unravel, as fear and desperation transform communities into battlegrounds. Amidst the chaos, are there any glimmers of hope? Yes. Human resilience has been tested before. In the wake of catastrophe, new technologies and innovative solutions could emerge. Imagine communities banding together to form networks of support. Urban farming might take on new significance as cities transform into places of cultivation. Perhaps advances in renewable energy and sustainability could arise from the ashes of what once was. But what if we zoom out even further? What if the asteroid serves as a wake-up call to humanity? Could we learn from our mistakes? The tragedy might reframe our understanding of the environment and our place in it. Perhaps this catastrophic event would inspire global cooperation, pushing nations to work together not only for survival, but for the greater good of the planet. Now, let's consider the long-term impact of such an event on evolution. Could life on Earth begin to adapt to this new reality? If humans endure, what new traits might emerge over generations? We could see shifts in our culture and society, a greater appreciation for the fragility of life. Humanity might innovate survival techniques that are currently unimaginable, leading to a society governed by a new set of values deeply rooted in respect for the planet. As we venture into these possibilities, let's step back and consider, if our survival truly depended on our unity, would we rise to the challenge? Or would we succumb to the darker aspects of human nature? The fate of humanity may hinge on our ability to navigate this existential threat through cooperation, innovation, and resilience. In conclusion, the question of what if a giant asteroid hit Earth opens up a Pandora's box of reflections on our existence. It challenges us to confront our vulnerabilities, appreciate the beauty of life, and embrace our role as caretakers of this planet. While the consequences would be dire and cataclysmic, they also hold the potential for transformative change. As we ponder these scenarios, remember this: the future is not set in stone. We have the power to shape our destiny, whether through innovation or collaboration. What if we began to treat our planet with the care it deserves today? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more explorations into the unknown. Together, let's dream of a brighter tomorrow, even amidst the darkest possibilities.